Cosmos, welcome back in Math Champion. Okay, how's your day? I hope it's amazing. Okay, now we will continue our topic. Please open your book Math Champion page 20. Please open your book Math Champion page 20. Okay, halaman 20. Okay, our topic is about order and pattern. Miss Pita repeats, order and pattern. So order and pattern in bahasa, bagaimana kita mengurutkan suatu bilangan secara berurutan dan teratur. Oke, secara berurutan dan teratur. Oke, look at example number 1 in the page 20. Okay, number 1, I will read this question. Arrange 489, 236, and 701 in order. Begin with the smallest. Okay, arrange in bahasa mengurutkan. Smallest in bahasa yang paling kecil. So number 1, we have to arrange these numbers, but we have to begin with the smallest number. Okay, the first one, if we want to arrange the number, we have to compare the number first. Kalau kita mau arrange number, kita harus compare dulu bilangannya. What is that compare? Our topic last week. Okay, compare is in bahasa membandingkan. So if we want to arrange the numbers, we have to compare the numbers first. Okay, look at, there is the table. Okay, there's the table. We have to compare all of the number so we can know who is the smallest. Okay, look at, after we compare the numbers, the first one we have to compare hundreds. After hundreds, tens. After tens, ones. Okay, look at. Okay, the greatest number in hundreds, angka yang paling besar di bagian ratusannya adalah 7. Okay, so we already know if 701 is the greatest, and then which is smallest? Okay, look at, the first kan we already compare the hundreds. Kalau kita sudah dapat jawabannya, sudah bisa menemukan mana yang paling kecil atau yang paling besar dari hanya membandingkan ratusan, so we already get all the answer ya. Now, look at, which is the smallest number, yang mana angka yang paling kecil di bagian hundreds, di bagian ratusannya. Okay, 2. So, the smallest number is 236. Okay, jadi arrange the number, but we have to compare first. Okay, next number 2. Look at the example. I will read this question. Arrange 459, 574, and 558 in order. Begin with the greatest. Okay, if number 1 just now we have to begin the smallest one. Now number 2 we have to begin the greatest. Okay, greatest in bahasa yang paling besar. Smallest in bahasa yang paling kecil. Okay, the way how we can arrange the number, we have to compare first. Kita harus membandingkan bilangannya dulu. Compare the hundreds, compare the tens, and compare the ones. Look at, okay, there is table on your book. Look at, this is number 2. Okay, we have compare one by one, hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay, now look at, we have to fill in the blank ya. Blank 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 is the greatest. Look at the question in below. Okay, blank 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 is the greatest. The first one, we have to compare hundreds. Okay, Miss, but there are the same number in hundreds. Okay, if there is same number in hundreds, kalau ada bilangan yang sama di ratusannya, so we have to compare the tens. Jadi kalau bilangannya sama di ratusan, maka compare lah yang di bagian puluhan. Now we are going to tens. Look at tens. Miss, still there is same number. Ya, ada tetap tetap angka yang sama. Ada angka 5 2 kali, 2 times in tens, right? So if in hundreds, in tens, there is same number, so we are going to compare ones. Look at ones. Is there same number? No, there is no same number, right? So which is the greatest number? Look at the ones. Number 9. Yang ada angka 9-nya itu merupakan angka yang paling besar. Okay, but everybody look at, you have to remember, look at the number. The first one is 459. The second one 574. The third one 558. If Miss Pita asks you, which is the greatest? What's the answer? What's the answer? Okay, the answer is 574. 574 is the greatest number. Why, Miss? Because look at, we have to compare the hundreds first, right? Okay, there is the same number in the hundreds. Ada 2 angka yang sama di bagian ratusannya, kan? 5 itu adalah angka yang paling besar di bagian ratusan, tetapi angka 5-nya ada 2 kali. Berarti kalau ada 2 angka yang sama di bagian ratusan, maka kita harus compare ke tens. Now look at tens. Which number is the greatest? Number 7. Okay, we already get the answer, right? Okay, so just now the answer kita sudah dapat. Yang pasti hundreds-nya itu yang nilai ratusan yang besar itu diawali dari angka 5. Lalu kita lihat, karena ada 2 bilangan, 2 angka yang memiliki angka ratusan yang sama, yaitu angka 5, maka kita compare yang tens. We have to compare the tens. Which number is greatest? Angka atau bilangan mana yang paling besar? Di bagian tens, di bagian puluhan, angka 7. So the answer 574 is the greatest. Okay, now we are going to the smallest. Okay, look at the smallest. Everything we have to compare the hundreds first. Apapun itu, if we wanna arrange the number, we have to compare the hundred first. Mau menyusun suatu bilangan, mengurutkan bilangan, kita harus compare yang hundreds the first. Okay, yang hundreds-nya lebih dulu. Okay, we wanna arrange. No, we wanna get the answer. Which is the smallest? Kita mau mencari jawaban yang mana yang paling kecil bilangannya. Okay, the first compare the hundreds. Look at. Can you get the answer? Of course, angka yang paling kecil is 4. So, the answer is 459. 459 is the smallest. Okay, you can write down on your book, yeah, because this is just example. And then now we have to arrange begin the greatest. Look at the last question we have arranged. We have arranged begin the greatest. Okay, kita urutkan dari yang paling besar. Just now we already know the greatest number, right? The greatest number. So the first box is 574. The second 558, and the last we fill in with the smallest one. The last is 459. Okay. And then look at example page 21. Okay, we answer together, ya. We answer together. Okay, number 2, do this. Yang nomor 2 bagian A. Number 3, do this. Yang nomor 3 bagian A, ya. Arrange the numbers in order. Begin with the smallest. Okay, we have to arrange this number, but we start with smallest. Kita mulai dari yang paling kecil, smallest one. Okay, look at the numbers cosmos. Okay, the first box is 555. Okay, you can write down, yeah, because this is just example. After that, 707. Next, 762. Next, 904. Okay, now we are going to 3B. Nomor 3 bagian B. Arrange the numbers in order. Begin with the greatest. Okay, we have to range but we start the greatest. Greatest in bahasa yang paling besar. Okay, look at the numbers. Let's check. Okay, the first box is 699. Next, 555. Next, 553. Next, 368. And the last one is 357. Okay, easy, right? Now we are going to number 4. This is example. We will do it. We will answer this question together. Yeah, I will read the question. The numbers on the tab follow a pattern. Some numbers on the tab are missing. Help Bob find the missing numbers. So Bob wanna find the missing numbers. Ada bilangan, beberapa bilangan yang hilang di box, in the box. Okay, let's check together. Look at this one kan 243, 244, 245, 246. Look at one more than 246 is 247. So we have to fill in this blank. One more than in bahasa satu lebih besar. So it means kalau dikatakan one more than 246 is angka yang lebih besar dari 246 itu berapa? Itu artinya angka setelah 246 itu berapa di sini? So that's why the answer is 247. Now look at here 247. After 247, 248. After that 249. Nah, there is the blank box again, the missing number. Okay, let's find out. Look at the instruction. 1 less than 251. Okay, but instruksinya adalah angka yang kurang dari 251. 1 less than itu artinya angka yang kurang dari, atau angka yang sebelum angka dari 251 ini berapa? Itu artinya kalau in bahasa. Okay? So 1 less than 251 is angka sebelum 251, tapi dia setelah 249 adalah angka 250. So that's why here 250. Okay, we already get. Now, after 250, 251. Okay, after that 252. After that 253. There is the blank box. Okay, missing number again. And then 253 blank 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 255. Okay, look at instruction. 1 more than 253. So we focus on 253. 1 lebih dari 253. Angka berapa yang dia lebih dari 253 tapi sebelum 255? So the answer is after 253 is 254. So the answer here 254. Okay, got it? Paham Cosmos? Okay, next. Same like number 5. Same like number 5. Caranya sama, the same way ya. Same with number 4. Okay? Okay, that's about our topic today. Okay, we have assignment for math today. Please open page 22. Please open page 22. Okay, please do number 6 and do this until J. Kerjakan yang nomor 6 dan juga yang bagian A sampai J. You write down on your exercise book. Miss Pita repeats. You write down on your exercise book. Exercise book in bahasa buku tulis latihan. Okay, so you can collect your book when your parents take the photocopian in our school. Okay, Cosmos, have a great day.